Hey, it's Clay Trader at claytrader.com. This will be a live trade video. Market just opened up about 2 minutes ago. So I have an order in right now on PTBI, and I'm also looking around at some other things. So I will keep you updated and let you know if I enter into any trades. All right, I am in 1,000 shares, average of 990 right now. We'll look to build a bigger position if it wants to keep on pulling back. Try to pick up another 500 more at 951. But if it wants to bounce, then I'll take some profits here. Have a sell order in at 995 and then 999. So let's see what happens here. All right, got those 995s. They are gone. Actually, I'm going to break that. I think it can break over 10 here. So I'll try to get 10.05 on those ones. Look for that round number break. So let's see if it can get back up above $10. Just kind of sitting around right now, trying to consolidate a little bit. So let's see if it can get up there or not. It is trying. I'm seeing some other things moving though, so now it becomes a matter of, do I want to sit here and wait, or do I want to try to go? And that may have been the opportunity there. So I'm just going to put these other ones up there at 995, and I'm going to go look around at some other, there we go, there's a move down. Let's see if I can pick up some more here. Okay, I got those at 951. Try to pick up some more at 944. Okay, got those. So that's a nice move there that I'm happy with. Try to get some of those out at 969 and then 975. So let's see. Okay, I got those out at 969. Next order up there at 975 on this current bounce. I just realized if I kind of sound kind of robotic or anything, I think I'm starting to get a cold, so I apologize if I don't sound kind of like my normal self, or who knows, maybe you think that I sound better right now. When I don't know if that's a good thing or bad thing, but so again, now we're looking for a breakthrough 970. Or it may be dropping back down. Let's see if it can get back up here. You can see a lot of sellers up there at 969, but if it can break through there, should get a nice little pop. So you can see trying to get through there. Now 970. There we go, got through there. Okay, got those off. We'll try some more here at 977. That didn't quite work. And I just got out there at 971 for 170. Like I said, other things are running, and I want to take a look around at those. So nice little first trade to start the day. Watching WFM right now, thinking it may be potentially rolling back over, so watching it closely. I'll keep you posted. Okay, I have 1,000 shares right now short at average of 42.24. Looking to take some profits down into a downwards move here. First starting to take some profits off at 42.20. So I don't need much of a move, but it does need to drop down here below 42.20, and then I'll start to pull in some green. So that's the current status of this trade. I'll keep you updated. Okay, I've build a position bigger now, and I need it to break 42.50 to start to break in those profits. I still like the potential for it to roll back over here and head down and potentially revisit those lows. So 42.50 is the key break that I'm looking for right now. If that can fall, I should get a nice downwards move. So we'll see what happens. I'll keep you updated. All right, I'm sorry everything happened, excuse me, very quickly. So I've locked in gains, and now I'm just in runner management mode here. I have a stop loss at 42.51 for these 100 shares, and now I'm just going to let these final work for me. So at this point, it's a question of not if I make money, because I'm going to make money, but just how much. And as traders, this is the ideal situation that we want to be in, where we can just sit back and say, you know what, let's just see what happens here. I may not make as much if I were to sell right now, but then it poses the questions, well, what happens if it goes down to 42 and then keeps on going down? Then I would, feel that much worse about, seeing that big drop. So, all right, welcome back. I say welcome back because unfortunately I was just told by the person that edits my videos that the whole second half of the video got all out of whack. I had some issues with my screen recording software telling me that I was out of memory and needed to do this and that, and somehow that threw everything off. I don't understand how all that worked, but point being, everything got jacked up. So I like I said, lost all the back half of the trading on the morning. So at least we caught that first trade where I made the 170, and then I captured all this other stuff on video too. But unfortunately, like I said, the video just is unusable. So I did want to quickly go over it though. I just played WFM. I played this on the short side, played a couple of these bounces here, and then when it fell back down, I was able to profit from that. TGP, this is an IPO that's currently trading, but that was a very quick trade there for 36, and then I took a loss on BABA of 34. I got in at 85.98. Was looking for more of a break to the upside. The break just didn't really happen, so I sold some. At least I got out a few of the shares for a small little profit, and then you can see here I did end up selling the remaining 400 shares at different prices for a loss. So I kept that as small as possible at 34, and relative to these other ones, mission accomplished. I was already up big on the day, so I wanted to make sure that nothing spun out of control, and just that's just basic discipline anyways. You got to keep those losers small. So I just backed out there and took that $34 loss. So I did close up the first 45 minutes at 439. That's where I currently stand right now. And things are kind of slowing down a little bit. We're getting outside of that morning session, but I did want to come back and at least explain what had happened. And unfortunately, like I said, it just technology, as beautiful as it is, sometimes it's a pain too, but it is what it is. So that's where I closed out the day, 439, or I should say closed out the morning session. 45 minutes in, up 439. Haven't traded since then, and I'll see what happens later on, but getting around that summertime, so I'm definitely a lot more cautious in the market. This is actually my first day back trading. I didn't trade up until this point. I've just been crazy busy with things. So 439, 45 minutes of quote unquote work. I'll take that and not complain. So a good kind of first day back, if you will, even though it's Thursday. Anyways, if you're interested in learning how to trade like this, not necessarily looking to sell within a few minutes like I am, but that's the beautiful thing about charts, which is what I teach. Whether you're looking to sell within a few minutes, a few hours, a few days, whether you're trading options, whether you're trading Forex, charts can be applied to all those different strategies. And if you're interested in learning about candlesticks and all that good stuff, just charts in general, you can go to claytrader.com. I offer multiple training courses on that if that sounds of any value to you. And also have a private trading group where you have a chat room. You get a yearly subscription to my newsletter. So check that stuff out. Again, you can just go to claytrader.com. And finally, I'll end with a guide that I have that addresses, the big question I get, which is, how do I find the stocks that I trade? Sorry about that. Got a little distracted there. But anyways, I'll end on that guide. And if that sounds like something that is of interest, then you can click to get access to it. Like I said, probably the most popular and common question I get is, how do I find the stocks that I trade? So what I've done is put together this free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then go ahead and click right there to get access to the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and like I said, it is free. Thanks for watching. Get out there and trade without emotion.